Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre coffee at home? I just discovered the LOR Espresso Capsules and I'm obsessed. Compatible with the LOR Barista System and Nespresso Original machines, these capsules are a game changer. The Ristretto blend, curated by French coffee artists, is incredibly powerful with a spicy aroma that will leave you wanting more. When you brew a cup, the rich creamer and smooth texture are unmistakable, and the recyclable aluminum capsules ensure the freshness of the finest Arabica and Robusta beans. This product is well reviewed and a popular choice among coffee lovers, and for good reason. The capsules are designed to deliver a perfect shot of espresso every time, with a beautiful creamer that's both velvety and luxurious. I love that the capsules are recyclable, which not only reduces waste, but also preserves the freshness of the coffee. The sound of the machine brewing is music to my ears, and the result is a cup of coffee that's truly exceptional. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, or just looking for a great cup at home, the LOR Espresso Capsules are a great choice. They're perfect for a quick morning pick-me-up, or a relaxing afternoon treat. With LOR's commitment to responsibly sourced coffee, you can feel good about what you're putting in your body. Overall, I highly recommend giving the LOR Espresso Capsules a try, you won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.